Okay guys, so this is part one of my Google Analytics tutorials, the introduction. So it's basically about what is Google Analytics, why to use Google Analytics, what are the real pros of even using such a complicated website analyzing tool. And yeah, let's get started. Google Analytics basically is a tool that helps you to get an insight of how your website is doing, how users are interacting on your website, how long they stay on your site, what they are doing, which pages they view, what is their visitors flow, things like this. Okay, and why would you do all of this? It's pretty simple. Uh, Basically, the end goal is to increase your conversion rate, which means that let's say you have 100 visitors on your website every day and you sell products, and five of these 100 people buy your product, right? That means you have a conversion rate of 5%. So I will show you in this tutorial series how to use Google Analytics to actually identify the weaknesses of your website, but also identify the current strength and how to scale them up and how to push them so you increase your conversion rate and your traffic. So this will result in more sales and more website visitors in general, more subscribers, or whatever you're doing on your website. So this of course works for all kinds of niches, all kinds of websites. The things I'm going to tell you, I'm going to explain, like, you can use it. Doesn't matter what kind of site you have, you can use these kind of tricks and this kind of strategies that I'm using right here. So we are right here in the dashboard of my blog. Okay, yeah, that's being said to the introduction part. So let's get really started. What I still want to show you in this first part is to actually, like, some people might have not yet really understood how to set Google Analytics up, like, technically and stuff. So I will go through this real quick, like how to set up, like how to add your website to Google Analytics and how to put the code on your website. If you've already done this, and if this is no problem for you, please just go scroll down and look into the description, and you will see a link to part 2, and just skip that part. Okay, so but I will still do it right now. Okay, what you will see when you start out with Google Analytics is right here in the admin section. They will ask you to create a new account. So I will just go through this real quick. So there they ask you, new account, what would you like to track, website or the analytics of a mobile app. I think right now, most cases right here, it will be a website, right? So let's just pretend for my company, social media company, Extreme Social, we would call this Extreme Social right here, the account name, right? Oh no, actually, let's do it for the blog. Let's do it Michael Kohler blog. This is the account name. The website name could also be, you can just name it Michael Kohler blog or whatever you want. But this is very important right here. It's very you have to actually copy the exact domain right here. So in this case, it's michaelkohler.co.uk. Just copy it in there. And make sure you either choose HTTP or HTTPS. Depends on if you have a certificate, an SSL certificate installed or not. So the industry, you can choose whatever industry you're on. Basically, I would choose for online communities right now, and then of course the country where you're from or where your company is based, and the time zone you would like to see your analytics in. So this right here is not so much important. These things, I would just keep them. Then you would click right here. I've already done this, of course. So you click right here, get tracking ID, and that's the next thing I will show you. Your how to use your tracking ID and put it on your website. Once you've set that all up, you just go to admin again, and you will see this kind of interface right here, and then you will go to property tracking info, tracking code, and there you will see a JavaScript code that you simply have to copy and then put it on your blog. So basically you just go there, you copy it, and you go to your WordPress blog or whatever kind of CMS you're using. Then you go to, let's just pretend you're using WordPress. You would go to appearance editor, and then you would search for the main header file, which in this case would be this one. And then you would just, because I already passed it in there, you would just paste it above the closing head tag right here. So there would be the code. And then you would click update file, and then in order to check if it really works, you go to reporting, real-time overview, and there you see that we're right now on this page. So yeah. Okay, this was the first part of the Google Analytics tutorial. Next part, I will show you some more insights and more detailed things, so get ready for this part. I will also link it into the description, and yeah, see you soon, and give it a like and subscribe. Bye.